If you have been dreaming of being a game developer but thought it was out of reach, think again. It has never been easier. And with Unity and this book at hand, nothing can stop you. So, if you are thinking that being a game developer is not easy for you, then think again. With help of Unity and this book, we can create a lot of games and make money also. Why mobile devices are perfect for indie projects? The other great thing about Unity is that it's a cross platform. You can make games on your Windows PC and then sell it on Android, iOS, Xbox, PlayStation, and more. So it supports a cross platform functionality. That means one software can be used in various operating systems, and more some of these require that you will have to apply for a developer license. So that means we will have to apply for a developer license, then we can use it. Purchase a developer kit or face other restrictions. Purchase a developer kit or face other restrictions. That means we can start our accounts on these platforms. Now in theory, though cross platform possibilities are endless. So in theory, that means technically we can apply for various cross platform like iOS, Xbox, etc. So possibilities are endless in technically. And you will see later in this book, Unity even supports virtual reality platforms like Samsung Gear VR, Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and Google Daydream. So these are also VR platform also. So this Unity supports VR platform too. But the focus of this book is going to be Android. That is because Android is most open source and biggest of all platforms. So we are focusing on Android because Android is the biggest platform and it is open source also. It also has the lowest barrier to entry. So that means it is easier to start our Android account, and you will find it is generally the easiest platform to be successful with. Take a look back at the list of big games made with Unity again, and you will notice that a lot of them are mobile games. So take a look at big games made with Unity again. That means the list of games. So that most of them were Android games. One reason for this is that the both Unity and mobile platform attract indie developers. There are two reasons why mobile is ideal for indies. So why we are using or focusing more on Android? So there is a reason for this. Mobile gives you access to huge audience via simple distribution channel. So uh, it is giving a huge audience because Android devices are available to more people. So it gives a audience via simple distribution channel. Then mobile lowers the expectations for your game and therefore the amount of work involved in its creation. That means it lowers expectation for your games. That means, put simply, if you build a game for Xbox One, it's going to compete with likes of Call of Duty and Grand Theft Auto. Although there is a thriving indie scene on Xbox, the potential graphical fidelity is still much higher and even input is more complex. So that means if you are making or creating games for PC, so you have to complete with legendary GTA series or Call of Duty series. So it is not possible for an individual developer to generate such high graphic or highly complex games. So mobile games is comparatively easier. That is why endless runners are more popular on mobile but not on other. Endless runner games include Temple Run. So these are a lot of popular on mobile devices, and they are less popular on PC. So that is the reason behind it. That means if you are a mobile game creator, then you will face a less competition as compared to PC game developer.